Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasim Zahid, your vlogger. How are you? I hope you are all fine. So let's start today's program. But before moving forward, there's a request. Please subscribe my channel, Wasim Zahid, or like it, share it. And if you have any question, please do ask. I will try to answer your questions as per my knowledge and available information. So let's start. Today's topic is Ontario photo card, and let's see in this program what are the contents. So I will tell you what it is, how can you apply for Ontario photo card, what is the cost, how will you get it, photograph specifications, how can you renew it, how can you change the address, how can you ask for the photo retake, and if your card is stolen, you have lost it or it's damaged, how can you get the replacement card. And then you can also the simple things, you can also change the address on it, your height, date of birth. If there is a mistake in the date of birth, you can also ask for request for the French characters in your card. You can also change the sex designation from male to female and female to male. You can also change request change in the sex designation from a male or female to gender neutral. And for this last thing, you don't need to provide any documentation. So let's start today's topic. Actually, if you don't have your driver's license, as we all know that Ontario, we usually use driver's license as a identification, official identification tool. But if you don't have it, then you can apply for Ontario photo card. But the thing is, if you have a driver's license and you want to get Ontario photo card, then you have to give up your driver's license, then you can get OPC, Ontario photo card. Or if you want to get back your driver's license, you have to turn in your OPC, and then you can get your driver's license. But all processes and procedures and timelines apply in order to get your driver's license. So this is the basic thing. Secondly, your OPC is not a travel document, so it's just a mean of identification, official proof of identification. If you want to open a bank account, you need to provide it, or other official things where you need to provide your identification. So this is the basic overview of OPC. Now let's see what it is and more details about this card. You can apply for OPC, and if you are a resident of Ontario, if you don't have a driver's license, and you are 16 years of age or more. To that, you need to provide identification, and these documents can be your Canadian passport, your foreign passport, citizenship card, permanent residence card, landing papers, permanent residence papers, your study permit, your work permit. So there are so many documents where you can find your three things: your legal name, your date of birth, and your signatures. And if you are married and after marriage your name has changed, then you also need to provide the marriage certificate. Okay, the cost is $35, and you can pay through Visa card, MasterCard, debit card, cash, or certified check, and you will receive this card within 4 to 6 weeks through mail at your address that you have provided. At the Service Ontario Centre, they will take the photographs and they will ensure that your face is completely visible, there's no obstructions, you have a neutral expression, and if you have you can use headwear due to religious reasons or medical reasons, but make sure that your face is not covered. And you may be asked if you are using eyeglasses, to remove the eyeglasses. This card is issued for a period of 5 years, and after this period you need to renew it, and the renewal charges are $35, and you need to go to the Service Ontario Centre to that purpose. If you want to change address on your Ontario photo card, excuse me, if you need to change address on Ontario photo card, you can do it. Go to the Service Ontario Centre and fill the form and request for it. You can also mail it to Service Ontario Centre, Kingston, Ontario, and you need to provide it for your full name, photo card number, current address, new address, and your signatures. But to that purpose, if you are mailing, no proof of residence is required. If you want to retake the photo in such a case where you don't like your photograph, so you can do it. You need to go to the Service Ontario Centre, and the cost to this request is $10. Now, if you have lost your card or stolen or it's damaged, you can ask for the replacement. Go to the nearest Service Ontario office in the Service Ontario Centre, and you need to provide your legal name, date of birth, and signature, and the cost is for the replacement $10. So these are the basic things that I have covered in this short video. Again, OPC Ontario photo card is being used as a tool of official identification. So, and secondly, it's not a travel document. With the help of this card, you can perform so many official activities as a proof of identification. So this is a basic thing. And thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this program and may have learned something new. So keep watching my programs. In the next program I will come with a new topic. Till then, bye from my side. Thank you so much.